Hello, crypto friends and techly Philippines viewers. Big news for Filipino crypto users. Binance may be making a return to the Philippines through a local partner called BlockSouls Technologies. After facing regulatory issues in past years due to lack of a local license, Binance was restricted in the country. Now, with BlockSouls acting as a compliance partner, Binance can better align with Philippine regulations while still offering its global trading services. Reports even show a welcome to Binance Philippines by BlockSouls message on some accounts, suggestions a localized version may already be rolling out. This is not fully confirmed as a complete regulatory comeback yet, but it is a major step forward. For users, this could mean clear regulation, better protection, and more trust in the crypto trading in the Philippines. However, crypto is still risky and volatile, so always do your own research before investing. Overall, this development could open the door for safer and more regulated crypto access in the country. What do you think? Are you excited for Binance Philippine return? Thanks for watching.